Welcome back. You're watching NDTV Profit. Let's keep a track of the markets. They're not doing much. We are seeing individual stock action picking up. We are seeing ICICI Bank move up higher. It's at the top of the charts on the Nifty, but the Nifty at this point of time seems to be headed towards the low of the day, which was 85.30. Again, seeing a cut about 10 points or so. The biggest loser today, of course, is the Capital Goods Index, which is down 1.5%. Power is now down 1%, and metal stocks are also facing the heat, down about 1% or so. Let's pull up the chart of OM Metal Infra Projects for you. This company has bagged a new order, and the stock price has moved up higher post the news coming through. This is the one that we want to focus on, and it's up 7%. It has won an order worth about 194 crore rupees from the UP government. To talk to us about this order, we are joined by Mr. Vikas Kothari, ED at OM Metal Infra Projects. He's joining us on the phone line from Delhi. Mr. Kothari, thank you so much for speaking with us at NDTV Profit. Can you give us more details of the order that you have bagged from the UP government?
Yes, hi. So the order that we bagged is from the irrigation department. This is the value is 194 crores. And what it entails is construction of a dam and along with that hydromechanical equipment. So it's an EPC contract that we've received, and it has to be executed over the next 30 to 33 months.
So when do you start booking the revenues from this project?
The revenue recognition from this particular project will start coming in from FY16 onwards, and over the next 2 to 3 years, it'll all be completed.
Right. What kind of margins do you enjoy in this kind of irrigation project?
So our core business, which is engineering construction for hydromechanical equipment, is of course a monopolistic and highly profitable business, and we enjoy 20% plus 20 to 25% gross margins in that. And along with that, we also do civil construction when it comes to turnkey contracts for hydro power and irrigation projects. So in civil construction, we have margins of close to 15 to 20%. So the blended margins are over 20%.
Right.
Around 20%. Yeah.
What is the total order book for your hydroelectric power projects and the irrigation department?
So our total order book as we speak today stands at over 600 crores, around 650 crores, which is to be executed over the next 2 to 3 years. And this covers both hydroelectric power construction projects, EPC for hydroelectric power projects, and also irrigation projects from central government PSUs and state irrigation departments both.
Right, but you also have interest in engineering construction, in real estate. What is the total order book like?
So what I'm talking about is engineering construction order book, which is the EPC order book of 600 to 650 crores. Then we also have, so that's our core business, which is where most of the revenues are coming from as we speak today. But we also have a significant exposure to real estate, where we have a very valuable land bank across various cities, including Delhi, Bombay, Jaipur, Hyderabad, and Kota. A lot of this land bank is actually being monetized. So FY15 onwards, we'll see a significant revenue coming in from real estate also. To give you an example, our Jaipur project, as we started booking revenue from that project, which is the most talked about and most elite project in Jaipur, where this year FY15 we'll be booking about 110, 112 crores in revenue. And FY16 we'll be booking another 150, 200 crores in revenue from that project alone. Then we have the Bombay project, which will also start coming in, and the Hyderabad will also start coming in. So our revenue stream going forward will be almost equal, or engineering will have about 60-70% in revenue, and the balance will be 40% will be from real estate.
All right. What is the pipeline like for both your EPC business as well as the real estate business? What more orders are you looking forward to in the coming financial year?
So as of now, so in the business that we are in, which is niche of engineering construction, EPC for infrastructure projects, specializing in hydroelectric power projects. So there we have a pipeline of about 300 to 400 crores of orders where we have bid. We're in some stage of bidding, whether it is pre-qualification. We have a 2-stage bidding process in most of the jobs that we do. So we are in pre-qualification or in tendering stage. So This order is one of them, of course, which we've recently added. By the end of this calendar year, I expect to add another few hundred crores of orders from our hydromechanical and hydropower projects division. And then real estate, of course, we don't intend to add any more land bank, but we do have monetization starting from our existing land bank. So revenue stream coming in and especially bottom line addition will be significant from the real estate vertical as well.
Right. So, what kind of target did you have for financial year revenue growth? Will you meet it? What are revenues that you're looking at in the coming financial year?
So, FY15 we'll have a bit of a dip from our FY14 numbers, but FY16 is very strong. As I was telling you, we have this outstanding order book of about 650 crores. That will add significant to our revenues in FY16 from engineering division. We are expecting FY16 revenues from engineering to be over 250-300 crores and another addition of about 150 to 200 crores from our real estate. So overall, the number seems to be close to 450 crores in revenue, which will be a significant jump from FY15 number.
And what kind of profitability growth are you looking at in FY16?
In our engineering business, we have gross margins of over 20%. So with 250 crores, we'll have we expect to add about 25% margins there, 25% profits there at the gross level. In real estate, of course, our margins are very significantly higher than than the engineering construction. So in FY16, we expect to do an EBITDA of over 70 odd crores.
Can you repeat that? 170 crores?
No. Over 70 crores, I said. 70.
Okay, over 70 crore rupees. Thank you so much, Mr. Kothari, for speaking with us at NDTV Profit and giving us more details of the fresh order won by the EPC division from the Uttar Pradesh government, as well as the outlook going ahead for both the EPC business as well as the real estate business. So the expectation is that real estate business will see very large margin improvement in the coming financial year. We'll slip into a break at this point of time. When we come back, we've got more interactions lined up with management's. Stay with us.
We are raising a